Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hello viewers. I'm Yusuf. I welcome you all in 5 Minutes Information channel. This is episode number 111. And in this episode, I will talk about the computer and its different types and category. Viewer guidance, you can get the notes of this video lecture mentioned on the link of this video description. The point number 1. What is computer? Point number 2, what are the different types of computer? And point number 3, what are the different categories of computer? Point number 1, what is computer? A computer is a machine that can be programmed to carry out sequences of arithmetic logic operation, computation automatically, and run sequence of instruction on how the data is proceed. Modern digital electronic computers can perform generic sets of operation known as a program. Point number 2, what are the different types of computer? There are 6 types of computer. Number 1, supercomputer. Number 2, desktop computer or personal computer. Number 3, mini computer. Number 4, mainframe computer. Number 5, workstation. And number 6, servers. I will explain each types one by one. Supercomputer. A supercomputer is a computer that performs at or near the highest operational rate of computers. Traditionally, supercomputers have been used for scientific and engineering application that must handle massive database, do a great amount of computation, or both. Number 2, desktop computers or personal computer. Desktop computer is also known as a PC or personal computer, is a multi-purpose microcomputer whose size, capabilities, and price make it feasible for the individual use. Personal computers are intended to be operated directly by an end user rather than by a computer expert or technician or engineers. Mini computers are smaller and less expensive than the main framework or supercomputer, but more expensive than and powerful from the personal computer or desktop computer. Mini computers are usually a handy computer and use and shift feasibly compared to the personal computer. Mini computers were used for scientific and engineering computation, business transaction processing, file handling, database management, and etc. Number 4, mainframe computer. Mainframe computers, informally called big iron or mainframe, is a computer used primarily by the large organization or critical application like bulk data processing or tasks like such as census, industry and consumer statistics, banking, enterprise source planning, and large scale of manufacturing. A workstation is a special computer designed for the technical or scientific application, intended primarily to be used single user or commonly connect with the local area network and run multi-user operating system. Type number 6, server. A server is a computer program or device provides service to the another computer program and its user, also known as a server computer. In a data center, the physical computer that has a server program runs in a data center. The physical computer that has a server program run on frequently referred to as a server. Point number 3. What are the different categories of computer? There are three main categories of computer. Number 1, analog computer. Number 2, digital computer. Number 3, hybrid computer. Number 1, analog computers. An analog computer, any of class devices in which continuously variable physical quantities such as electric potential, fluid pressure, or mechanical motions are presented in a way analogs to corresponding quantities in the problem to be solved. Point number 2, digital computer. A digital computer is a machine that stresses data in a numeric format and perform operation on the data using the mathematical manipulation. Category number 3, hybrid computer. Hybrid computers are the computer that exhibited feature of both analog computers and digital computer. Digital component normally serve as a control and provide logic and numerical operation, while analog component often serve or solve different equation and other mathematical and complex problems. That's end of the episode number 111. In this episode, I discussed three main points. What is computer and what are the different types of computer and what are the different categories of computer. Hope this video is helpful for the beginner of computer learners and students. Stay connected with 5 Minutes Information channel. I will back soon with another informative episode. Thumb up if you like this video.